Hey, how we doing? How you doing? This is your girl Felisa. I know I'm not wrapped. How about that? I'm not wrapped, but I am here to show you, hope you can hear me, another way that you can use seamoss. You can use seamoss. So I have another big announcement that's gonna be coming, but it's about my hair, okay? It's about the hair. So I have already conditioned this like a couple days ago, and so I want to show you how to use seamoss as a conditioner because I don't use shampoo on my hair or any type of soap, anything like that. So I just use a conditioner. So I actually pre-poo my hair, okay? And I just use conditioner to detangle my hair and to strengthen the hair, to moisturize the hair, to enhance my shine to my hair. So I'll just use conditioners, okay? So what I want to do is show you exactly how to use it as a conditioner, okay? And I'm going to come to you with some more videos to show you how to use it as well, okay? So I'm going to take down my hair, okay? So, I know, you don't see me wrapped up. How about that? I am not wrapped, okay? So I'm going to show you how to use it, okay? So this is my hair. I have already detangled. I don't use comb or anything in my hair. I just finger detangle my hair like this, okay? If you come across some knots, you just look at it, make sure, get it all straightened out. And then sometimes you have to cut out some of those not Bantu knots, but some of those Mongolian knots, they call them, okay, for the natural hair. So we're just gonna detangle that just a little bit. What the thing about using seamoss for your hair, it helps strengthens your hair. It helps strengthens the fibers in your hair, okay? It helps do that for your hair to give your hair more strength. It helps to give it more shine. It helps nourish the hair, moisturize the hair. So that's what I'm going to show you today is how to do that, okay? Like I said, I have already did that up here on top of my hair, but today I'm going to show you how to detangle it again in the back part, okay? And y'all know shrinkage is crazy, okay? Right? Shrinkage is really crazy. Look at that shrinkage. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it. And then first one I'm going to use, I'm just going to wet my hair just a little bit, okay? I'm going to let that warm up because I'm not putting cold water on my hair, okay? So, hopefully you can see me, okay? But like I said, this is another way you can use it. So I'm going to let that warm up some because like I said, I do not want cold water on my hair, okay? Okay. So I'm just going to wet this a little bit. Give it a little wet. Okay, just like that. I'm just going to wet it. Y'all know shrinkage is crazy. And I hope you have your favorite towel, okay, that you use for your hair, and I do. I don't use a cotton towel on my hair. I use a t-shirt, and yes, it's been used, and I use it a lot. And this is what I use for my hair, okay? That way, if you use a cotton towel, it pulls your hair out, okay? It pulls some of the strands that get caught in the parts of the towel like this. You see that right there? It'll get caught in your hair, and you don't want to pull your hair out that way. So I use a t-shirt to dry my hair, to do whatever I have to do to my hair, and that's what I do to even, y'all know, I dye my hair. Okay, so we're gonna keep that real part, okay? So, like I said, this is real. Shrinkage is crazy, y'all know that. And your hair, my hair do shed a little bit, cause it's been up in the head wraps, okay? I keep my hair wrapped, okay? So what I'm gonna use is some seamoss. It don't have anything in it. I hope you can see that. Maybe just a little bit. But anyway, this is seamoss, okay? It has 92 minerals in it. It has vitamin E, it has vitamin C, it has vitamin K. It also has iron. It has zinc in it, calcium, potassium, magnesium, iodine in it, okay? It has a lot of things in it. Psyllium in it, beta carotene in it, okay? Think about all those minerals that it have in it. It has 92 minerals in it of 192 that the body needs. Think about that, okay? Now we're going to use it as a pre-poo or conditioner for your hair. So I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand, if you can see, just like that, okay? And then I'm going to put it in my hair, just like that. Look at that. I'm going to show you, okay? Let's get it all worked in, and then I'm just going to start detangling my hair, just like that. You see that? Hopefully you can see it. I'm just going to start detangling my hair. If you can see that, okay? Can you see that? And just continue to detangle. I'm going to use just a little bit more. And yes, it's real slippery because it's like a gel, okay? It's like a gel, okay? So I use about 1.5 tablespoons of it, okay? Just like that. So you see that? I'm going to get a little closer so you can see it. Just like that. And like I said, we use this as conditioner or pre-poo. Like I said, I don't use any type of soap on my hair, any type of shampoo on my hair, or anything like that at all, okay? And I don't even use combs in my hair. I use my fingers to detangle, just like that. So what I do is I just continue to work through it, and you know, each strand like that, I make sure I don't have any type of knots in it. If you can see that, okay? It's hard for me to see, so hopefully you all can see what I'm trying to show you, okay? So it conditions the hair. So when I get through, I would also actually do my whole head, and then I would put a bag on it and leave it on there for about 30 minutes, anything like that, for that long period of time, just how long you want to leave it on there. And then I will rinse it out. And then I will style my hair as normal, in which I keep my hair in, like, you know, braids and stuff because I keep my hair up, because I keep it up, okay? So I just braid my hair, or I do a two-strand twist on it and keep it up, okay? Just like that. Take the little hairs that you get sometimes out of your hair, and that's how you do it, okay? So I hope this helps someone. That another way you can use your seamoss is helping your hair. And if you haven't seen my other video, how to use it as a face mask, you can watch that video also on YouTube as well. So if you have not liked my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button, okay? Go ahead and hit that, because I would love to have you be a part of my journey as my hair. And then also you will get notified as when I go live, right? So that's how you do that. And look at that definition in that curl, because I have real fine strings of hair or thin hair. So yes, it's going to help. I'm going to rub it into my scalp as well to help the scalp, okay? Help you if you have flaky scalp, okay? Like I said, it conditions and nourishes the hair, the scalps, okay? It also helps with dandruff, okay? Inflammation and itching that you might have, it helps with that as well, okay? So that's what we're doing right here. And look at that. And you can also, you know, look at that. Look at those curls. Hope you can see that. So I hope this helps someone. I'm excited to bring some more news to you, what I'm going to be doing to my hair. It might be a big chop, or it might be something else. But I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be doing with my hair and just on this journey, okay? So like I said, I hope this helps someone how to use it as a conditioner. And then you just rinse it out as normal. And then whatever, if you use shampoo or anything on your hair, then that's what you do next, okay? You can shampoo your hair, whatever you want to do, like, you know, shampooing, you know, whatever it might be. But the Poetically Vegan on YouTube, you can subscribe to that as well. The Poetically Vegan over there, I would love to have you. And yeah, that's how you put the conditioner on there as a pre-poo or conditioner, okay? Just like that. And then you just get all the extra strands out of there. And another tip that you can do as well is when you're doing your hair, you want to make sure that your hair, that your nails are trimmed and your nails don't have like little snags on it, because they will pull your hair out as well, okay? So other than that, this is your girl Felisa, the Poetically Vegan, come to you live with another video. So with that being said, y'all have an awesome and beautiful day. So I hope that helped someone, okay? Let's go ahead and rinse this out, okay? OMG, OMG, let me tell y'all. Oh my God. Baby. Yes. And then you just rinse it out with some warm water, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna rinse this out, okay? Just this part right up here, the back part. Just like that, okay? Fill the hairs out, which I do have some of those coming out. Little strings of hair, okay? And then you just string it out. You just dry it, whatever it may be, okay? And then you use whatever towel that you use, okay, to dry your hair with. Like I said, I use my favorite towel, my favorite t-shirt towel, okay, that I use. And then what I'm going to do is to close the cuticles on it, because the water will open up the cuticles of your hair, okay? And then you can use whatever type of oil that you like. But today I'm going to use some jojoba oil, because jojoba oil is the closest oil to our skin that we use for our skin, that's, you know, closer to the skin the oil that we have on our skin. So that's what I'm going to be using to close the cuticles on my hair. But you can also use castor oil. This is the coconut kind, okay? But like I said, I'm using jojoba oil. Or you can use coconut oil. Or you can use black seed oil, okay? Or you can use castor oil. Whatever oil that you like, okay? You can use almond oil. You can use rapeseed oil. You can also use olive oil. If you use that on your hair, you can use that, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and use my jojoba oil, okay? That I'm going to put on my hair to close my cuticles on my hair, okay? Just like this, okay? There we go. We'll close that, get your ends. You work from the root to the ends, just like that, okay? And then what I'll do is I'll just put this in a big two-string twist, just like this, okay? Just like that. And then what you don't do is borrow from the other side of the hair, okay, from each strand. No, you just continue to get to the bottom. And then when you get to the end, okay, you might have some more strands on your hair. And when you get to the end, and then you just twirl the end of it just like that, okay, just like that, okay. There we go, like that, okay. And so that's how you do that. And that's how I do my hair. I don't do anything, you know, special to my hair at all, okay? So that's how I do it. So thank y'all for joining me again. This is your girl, Felisa, the Poetically Vegan. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a comment, okay? And thank y'all for joining me. Until next time, bye.